How to delete a Spotify account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Spotify account. You cannot delete your Spotify account through the Spotify application. Instead, you will need to use a web browser on your computer or a mobile device. First of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in spotify.com. Now press on go button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Spotify. Here make sure you are logged in to your account. Also, if you have a premium account, you must cancel your subscription first. For that, you can go to your plan section and then select cancel premium from there. You will still have access to your premium features until the end of your billing cycle. After that, you can now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. And from this menu, here select View Account option. By doing so, now you will be taken to this page. Now in this page, here you will need to scroll down to find Spotify support option. You will find this option under Help section. Tap on this support option and then you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to select this Manage Your Account option from this list, and once you select it, you will be able to see some more options from here. Tap on Account Settings, and again from here you will need to choose Closing Your Account and Deleting Your Data option. Scroll down to find this option and then tap on it to open it. Once you open it, you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to scroll down, and then here you'll be able to see Close Your Account and Delete Your Data option. Tap on this link. By doing so, you will be taken to a new page. In this page, it says that once you close your account, you will be sent an email with a link which you can use to reactivate it within 7 days. But after that 7 days, your account cannot be reactivated and the process to delete your account will be initiated. After that, you will not be able to reactivate your account. Instead, you will need to create a new one. If you agree with that, go ahead and tap on this Close My Account and Delete My Data option. After that, you will be taken to this bot page. Here, you will need to choose Close My Account. Here, if you haven't cancelled your premium yet, you can choose Cancel Premium option. Now, you will need to follow the prompts provided by this bot. Tap on this Close My Account and Delete My Data option. And once you sent it, here to confirm it, you will be sent an email address. Select this Yes button and now wait for the email. Once you get the email, open the email. Here you will need to scroll down and then you will find Close My Account button. Tap on Close My Account. You will be redirected to this browser and then you will see your account has been successfully deleted. You will still have the time of 7 days in order to reactivate your account. If you want to do so, you will need to follow the link provided in your email address. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete your Spotify account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.